Hey there, innovators! Welcome back. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you 5 of the top digital products that you can sell online and create using AI. And guess what? Any of these products could potentially earn you a nice little passive income each month. Who else wants to make some extra side hustle cash? We're talking about fresh, innovative ideas, but also timeless classics that have proven to be profitable for quite some time now. Imagine making a product once and getting paid for it over and over again. Sounds nice, right? So let's dive in and see how AI can help you create these products quickly and easily. I'll also show you some examples of what other sellers are selling and help guide you through the creation process for each one. Ready? Let's get started. First on our list is creating clip art. People use clip art for all sorts of things: social media, book covers, presentations, websites, printables, and more. Clip art can really make a product better. You can make all kinds of clip art: backgrounds, borders, icons, cartoons, and more. And the best part? You can sell them online on many different marketplaces. But where can we sell clip art at? My absolute favorite is Creative Fabrica, but I've also used designbundles.net, Redbubble, and even Gumroad. Etsy is also a popular place to buy and sell digital products for a lot of people. So, how would you go about creating your own clip art? I would definitely do some research to see what is selling the best at whatever marketplace I would be selling at, and then use my favorite AI art generator to create those kinds of images for that niche. Once you're in your art generator, such as Leonardo, Night Cafe, or whatever, just type out what you want your clip art image to look like. Choose a style, for example, a 2D cartoon dog, then hit generate. Your clip art image appears in seconds. Once you have an image you want to sell, upscale it. And you'll also need to remove the background. For selling purposes, a transparent background for clip art is standard. If you need a background removal tool, I'll add a link to a free one in the description below. Next are coloring worksheets. These are super popular for homeschoolers, daycares, and preschools too. You can create these pages easily using AI too. To create your own, use your favorite AI image generator and select the option for coloring books if there is one. Customize your prompts as needed, then generate your images. You'll probably have to experiment until you make some coloring pages that you really enjoy. In this case, I will make cat coloring sheets using Playground. Once you've gotten the hang of it, I would suggest making a dozen or so different ones. Upscale them and group them together to sell as a bundle. You could use the same process to create cartoon pages about almost anything. Patterns are still very popular. They're often used for book backgrounds, wallpapers, fabric designs, gift wrapping papers, and more. To create patterns, I'll be using the CF Spark Pattern Generator tool today. I've only used it a few times, but have gotten some really interesting images. So maybe you'd like to come here and do some experimenting of your own. It's pretty simple to use. Just add in your customized prompt at the top. Choose a few settings like size, type, and style, then generate your design. Have fun playing with this tool. Up next is wall art. Wall art can transform anyone's room, from businesses to homes. Do some research on a site like Etsy to see what is selling best, then go to your favorite AI art generator and try making some unique designs of your own in that same niche. You can experiment with different styles, colors, and techniques. Once you have created some really nice pieces, upscale the best ones, and then you can sell them online at any of the various online marketplaces we discussed earlier. I would suggest, for best results, to go the added step and add your artwork to a few room mock-ups so your audience can get an idea of what your art would look like in an actual room, and then add these images to your sales page listings. T-shirt designs are super popular and sell on lots of marketplaces. Do your research to see what is selling. There are so many design styles, from anime to catchy quotes. You could make custom designs in just about any genre. Again, you could also use AI for this. Kittl and Ideogram would be two great apps to start also. You can also use Creative Fabrica. There are so many designs inside here. But if you do use these, don't use them as is. Don't be lazy, because this might get your design removed from various marketplaces because of duplicate content. My advice to you would always be, make changes to any designs you use from here to make them entirely original for your own shop. Add elements, delete items, and change it up to make it a completely new piece that is different from the original. If you aren't a member already, I'll leave a link for you below. Also, to help your new design sell even better, don't forget to use a mockup tool. You can also find these inside Creative Fabrica to create a preview image so people can see your new t-shirt design on a model. And there you have it, 5 digital products you can create using AI and other tools. Each one offers a unique way to earn passive income and can be sold across various marketplaces online. If you're ready to dive in and start creating your own digital product designs, check out the links below for more tools and resources. None of these products will make you rich overnight, but with persistence, the more designs that you make and the better your designs are, the more chances you will have of making sales. It is definitely a numbers game and can be a fun side hustle too.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and share it with your friends too. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.